With the new iOS 26 update, you can now add fun backgrounds to your conversations in the Messages app. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add custom backgrounds to messages on iPhone. Now let's get started. If you haven't updated your iPhone yet, check out this video to learn how to upgrade to iOS 26. To add a background to a conversation on your iPhone, open the Messages app and select the conversation you want to add a background to. Tap the name of the other participants or the group chat name at the top. Then select Backgrounds. Your background can be a photo, colors, or use the sky, water, or Aurora background options. If you pick the photo option, choose a photo from your camera roll that you'd like to use as your background. If you choose one of the pre-made backgrounds, swipe sideways to see additional styles. If choosing the color option, you can tap each of the colored dots at the bottom to pick custom colors as well. When you find a background you like, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save it. The other participants in your chat will also be able to see the background you've set, so keep that in mind when setting this up. Repeat this process to add backgrounds to any other conversations in your Messages app. That's all it takes to add custom backgrounds to messages in iOS 26. Want to learn about more new features offered in this iPhone update? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.